Some of the Eribas currently for sale at Leisure First. To start with, we've got this, a 1992 Puck 120. At 34 years old, it's the true testament to how well the Eribas age. A rather rare 2005 Puck, because it's got an onboard heater, a 2003 example, a 1999 example. Jumping up a size to the Puck L, the true TARDIS of the range, this is a 1998 Puck L 225. Just past this 530 60th edition that's in prep is a 2022 Familiar 310 60th edition, double dinette, really nice van that one. A 2018 Familiar 320 GT, so the first model with an onboard toilet. Not one but two white textured 430 double dinettes, both of great spec. One's a 2018 and one's a 2016. We've got several vehicles in prep, ranging from the Eriba Puck 120 all the way up to a Troll 550, along with several Eribas awaiting collection. Remember, many Eribas sell before listing, so reach out if you know what you're looking for. Over the other side, we've got a near new 2021 Eriba Triton 430 GT, really high specification van. A very good condition 2018 430 60th edition fixed bed example. And just behind that we have a 2019 430 60th but a double dinette. We have not one but four 530 60th editions, so varying specification and varying fabric choices, so really good time if you're looking for a 530 60th edition, as we've got several to choose from. A 530 fixed bed GT example, another nice van that. You may have noticed that we have several colour editions, including not one, not two, but three Ocean Drives and two Rockabillys. So if you want a colourful van, perfect time to come and visit, because you've got five to choose from. Along the back row where the Trolls are, once again you've got more 530 60th editions. You also have a 2015 Eriba Troll 530 GT fixed bed, very fairly priced at $15,999. Just behind the two Rockabillys, we have a 2013 Troll 550, which we'll come on to in a moment. The Troll 550 can have something called a bed extension kit, which this one has, giving you a true 4-berth example. Any questions on any of these models, reach out to us on 01202 600 701.